Take a moment to check out the 2021 Hyundai Accent. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Sophisticated style, comfort, safety, and affordability are among the many benefits this striking Accent delivers. Its agile, fuel-efficient ride energizes your commute, while its spacious, well-built cabin packed with amenities lets you relax and enjoy the journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel controls, power windows. You don't have to blow your budget to get the features you want. This Accent is waiting for you. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.